Hi and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we've got pad woon sen, which is stir-fried glass noodles, and this dish is shared around most of Southeast Asia. So we're going to show you our version, and it's a ripper. If that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around till after this. About 100 grams of glass noodles, sliced with chilli, spring onion, chicken, prawn, 1 egg, bird's eye chilli with garlic, black pepper and coriander root, tofu, squid, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of thin soy sauce. So with those, the majority of those I haven't put the amounts. Feel free to chop and change however you want. I should add as well that there's bean sprouts and spring greens added to this recipe. So we're going to soak the glass noodles. We're going to soak these for in cold water for about 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to drain the noodles and remove as much water as possible. Take about 100 grams for this recipe for a single portion. Make sure your wok is dry before adding the oil. And heat your oil. Add the chili mixture, prawns, squid with chicken, This pad woon sen is more like the Malaysian version rather than the Thai version. More like the Soo Hoon Goreng. Add your egg. Add the squid, tofu, and now add glass noodles. A little bit more water if necessary. One tablespoon of oyster sauce mixed with a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add the spring greens. You want to get a bit of wok hay on this, but it's a lot easier to burn these than it is rice noodles, so just be careful. Add the bean sprouts. Just make sure you're keeping it moving. You want to kind of char these a little bit. And that's it. Okay, so here's a finished article. So glass noodles. Very good. Good to eat. Oh wow, spicy. Right guys, I hope you all enjoyed that. That went down a storm. That was spicy. Just really hit the mark. One of those dishes that I like to have just because the texture is different. It's a bit more healthy than normal rice noodles, as the noodles are made from mung beans. It's still pretty high in carbs, so if you're chasing that keto fix, stay away from these. So give that a go, and we'll see you next week, which we have we have a little bit of a comparison between different supermarket microwavable pad thai dishes. So that one I'll be joined by Fitous, and so yeah, that should be quite a laugh. So take care, see you next time, bye.